Alright guys, it's the next day. Picked up the parts for the CRF. Got a Sedona. This is the hard Sedona, the 887. Figured this would be the best if I'm going to put it on some concrete and grab a lot too, which I plan to. New tube. Also WPS firepower chain. And a couple JT sprockets. So going to go ahead and get these mounted up and hopefully test ride this thing. It should be completely ready and rideable after that. Mostly cosmetic stuff. So it's pretty well known, guys, that a 12-inch rear wheel like a 65 or a CRF110 or maybe a 10-inch 50 wheel, those are the two toughest tires to change in dirt bikes for sure. You just don't have a lot of room to work with to even get some flex in the tire. And personally, my issue is the hub hole's not big enough. I can't fit the wheel on my tire stand, so I have no way to hold it while I work on it. I need to manufacture like a skinnier rod for the tire stand sometime, but until then I just gotta kind of wrestle with it and then have somebody else hold it while I'm trying to change it. So it's always fun. They're easy to pinch, but just take your time, you'll get it. I use that little glide plate, makes it a little easier to get the rim in the tire initially. So we got that on, and then I put the black JT sprocket on and finished up that and moved. I noticed as I was installing the rear wheel that there is a little bit of play with the wheel bearings. If you remember, I kind of did this job on my CRF110, but the CRF110 has a separate hub for the left side, and this CRF110 does not. So I really need to make sure I keep an eye on those wheel bearings. I don't think it's anything I have to worry about right this second, but it's definitely something I'm going to want to change before something drastic happens down the road. I just love the look of this gold chain. It was only like $5 more. It's the Firepower chain by WPS, and it just looks, I mean, it's a cheap chain. It's like 20 bucks, and it just looks mint, just looks factory. I'm really digging it. But yeah, I got really lucky with the brake situation. I was actually able to adjust the brakes up and take a piece of steel pipe and a pipe wrench and bend the lever back out. So the brakes work great, man, and this thing's ready to ride and test out. And any next builds will be mostly cosmetic, a front tire, stuff like that. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Hit subscribe, hit the notification. See you in the next one.